Hi guys, welcome back to One Minute School. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube and error occurred error. So let's dive into that. So the step 1, refresh the page. Step 2, press F1 or click the refresh button in your browser. This often fixes temporary issues. Step 2, clear your browser cache and cookies. In Chrome browser, we should go to sharing, then go to privacy and security, then go to clear browsing data. Step 3, disable browser extension, especially ad blockers, and reload YouTube. Step 4, make your browser is up to date. Old version may cause playback error. Step 5, try opening YouTube in a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. Also, we can update our YouTube apps. So that's the videos for today. If you like my videos and if you fixed your error, please write a comment below. So that's the videos for today. If you like my videos, do a thumbs up and stay tuned with One Minute School. Bye bye.